Have you ever wondered how to reduce production time while maintaining high-quality standards? The combination between our SLA 3D printer and a brand new high-temperature resistant material has allowed us to arrive at a revolutionary solution for injection molding. This mold demonstrates that it is possible to create products high-temperature resistant with high injection pressure. And the best part, from the start of printing to the final post-treatment, the mold is ready in just 2 days. It's the perfect answer to today's demand for rapid time to market, cost efficiency, handling complex geometries, and operational flexibility. The future of molds has finally arrived, where 3D printing meets injection molding.